Beneath the smooth shell of every processor lies a forest of gold-plated pins, microscopic connectors that root the lifeblood of information. When our devices reach the end of their lives, that gold often ends up here, buried in mountains of forgotten phones. Hidden inside each one
At the heart of the separator, a high-speed belt carries shredded feed toward a rapidly spinning drum. As the particles leave the belt, eddy currents push conductive metals outward. Lightweight aluminum leaps forward, while heavier plastics and fiberglass drop.
In the leaching lab, every motion is measured. The blue test solutions are in place. Acid is introduced with a steady hand. Clear, precise. The label reminds us, aqua regia, corrosive. Steam rolls off the surface, a sign of potent chemistry.
The dark green leach solution meets the filter paper, and drop by drop, the precious metal reveals itself. Impurities and old fiberglass stay behind, while a clear amber solution gathers below. Gold chloride, pure, concentrated, and ready for the next step.
Tilting the beaker, the clear acid slips away in one smooth stream. We're careful not to disturb the dense layer sitting on the bottom. Only a thin film remains over the brown mud. This is the waste we want to keep. Now, a wash. Distilled water rinses through, loosening fine particles. It turns
This is the gold precipitate, fresh from filtration. Still wet, still heavy. Into the evaporating dish it goes. Gentle heat drives the water off. As the steam rises, the color shifts and the texture opens up. Minutes later, the mud has become something entirely different. Dry, light, and...
you.